Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show and tell you how to delete your Instagram account. Please watch the video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Let's get started. To do this, go to Instagram. Then select your profile, which we want to delete the account. In the upper right corner, click on the three bars. Settings and Privacy. Media Account Center. Select Personal Details. Account Ownership and Control. Deactivation or Deletion. Instagram. Select Delete Account. Click Continue. Select the reason why we want to delete the account, any reason. Click Continue and then click Continue. After that, we have to enter the password for our profile. Click Confirm. And then we have to enter it again and click Confirm. After that, our account will be deleted. This is the simple way to do it. If you liked this video, you can like it, subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.